A sash is an easy way to bring a touch of tartan to any outfit. Whether you're heading to a clan gathering, a burn supper, or a traditional Scottish ceilidh, a sash instantly adds something special. But how exactly do you wear one? Let us show you. Traditionally, sashes are made from wool. Ours are crafted as standard in lightweight 10-ounce pure wool tartan and are available in over 500 tartans, so there's a style to suit every outfit. Morgan wears the beautiful Isle of Skye tartan. Unless you're a lady chief, the wife of a clan chief or chieftain, or the wife of a colonel of a Highland regiment, a sash is traditionally worn over the right shoulder. Our first style is said to be worn by ladies who have married out of their clan but still wish to wear their original clan tartan. Begin by folding a few soft pleats into the sash about halfway along. Place it on your right shoulder, cross it over your body and bring it down to your left hip. Secure both layers with a brooch and you're ready to go. For our second look, this is the traditional style worn by clan women. Place the sash over your right shoulder, cross it over the front of your body, wrap it around your back and bring it over your left shoulder. Adjust the drape, then secure it with a brooch or clan crest badge. To discover more about tartan sashes, brooches and how to wear them, visit us online or in one of our stores.